Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. My name is Sakih Priyoga from class 11 accounting. I have an idol, Seza. She was born on November 8, 1989. She is singer from US. She started his career in 2012 and his career in the singing world. The following is on of post on social media Instagram on @_Seza. She didn't write anything in his post, but this her first post after performing in Texas. Proud of her. And my motivation is to be like her, a very good voice, to make many people interested in her, to be able to tell many people, even about her very good voice, of course. I will try to be like her, going to various work to share her talents. I agree with her post because her feels confident about himself, even though his skin color is different. Thank you.